Today we will make this equilateral Kusudama, equilateral triangle Kusudama, because this part here is actually equilateral. All these three sides is the same. And to do this, we will need a 4-1 paper. This is a 4-1 paper, 4-1. And in order to help us, we will need to have a template folded like this. This is folded by 60 degrees. And we will fold this template first. To fold this template, you can do color side up, fold it in half. And once you have this in half, fold in half again like this. And open up and fold this edge to the middle. Open this up. Now we want to start to pivot this middle and bring this corner to this line here. Pivot this one and bring this corner to the line. We actually make a 30-degree fold. Open this up, this part as well. You will see we will use this line only. Fold along this line and just press gently. Okay, so next we will fold this part, this edge, so that this edge lands on this like this, and make sure that this one is actually straight. If this is not straight, you might want to readjust the angle a little, slightly adjust it so that it actually folds perfectly like this. And this one will be our template. And take a new piece like this, align it to the template and fold it along this part here. And this is, we will continue from here. Fold this inwards, this part, and turn over like this, and repeat the same. And once we are done with this one, we just want to flip this over. So just flip it over like this. And fold this down. And this one, fold it through the middle like this. Unfold this and fold this edge to the middle like this. And once this is done, just refold this part back. Now repeat the same, fold this down. This one, fold to the other end, fold it down the middle. Open this part and fold this to the middle line. And refold it back like this. Once this is done, just fold it up. Fold this part up, and same with the back. Now this is completed unit. Just take one piece and assemble. This one will be the flap, and it goes underneath the middle in the pocket here, like this. So you just want to keep this part folded so that it doesn't come out. And just take another piece insert the flap through the middle. And finally bring this part over, and this one goes in the middle like this. So just keep everything folded like this so that it doesn't come out, and just keep on assembling 30 units and you will get this Kusudama.